2-0 lead ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng College of St. Benilde. Mas dikit na ang naging score nung ating second set. Pero ang dami pa ring errors ng St. Benilde.
Yes, that's right. And I think na-compensate lang yung fact that although CSB committed more errors here in the second set, nabawi naman nila because they had more points in their attacks. Nagumana ang kanilang blocking and of course yung kanilang service aces.
So no aces, no blocks that time para sa TIP. And let's see if the adjustment continues for the Lady Engineers kasi nung first set natambakan sila. Second set dumidikit na. Can they steal it again? Can they do the same thing
that's what
did
that's
to
right.
Dasal Dasmariñas?
That's what's going to be interesting to find out kasi third set yun, but it was a crucial third set na they were almost lost pero nagawa nilang bumalik at makuha yung laban. So of course CSB does not want that to happen to them in this game.
Parang rumeres back na ngayon ng CSB. Inupakan nyo yung pinsan namin. Kami naman ngayon ang dudali sa inyo. So it's the second straight day na verde at puti na naman ang kalaban itong TIP. But they have adjusted well ng second set although they did not get it. Dalawang guest player na pinagsabay dito ni Boy Paril para sa TIP. Jeka Perez and Jezime Acuña are in together. Will that be the secret ingredient para makuha nila itong laban na ito? CSB just needs to win this set. Once again, thank you for joining us. Dito po sa San Juan Arena, Noel Zarate kasama si Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla, and si Miss 5 Sets, Mia Kalim.
Hindi lang makareact si Mia ka sa'yo ngayon eh.
Mamaya babawi yan.
Nag-iisip na yan.
Mamaya, wow. At there is a stoppage in the action. Philip Season going over to the official stable. It looks like ibang lineup ang nasubmit ng St. Benilde to begin the second set. And looking at the lineup na St. Benilde, may bago pa silang player dito. It's Austero is still in.
Yeah.
And they also have Kim Ramos also in. And Michael Carrillo, very confident na tama yung binigay niya starting lineup. So ano yung contention dito kadalasan, Ivy?
I think it's sa basa nila dun sa binigay na R5, I think it's a different number. Pero Coach Michael is saying, hindi, number 3 yan.
So si Austero yung sinasabi niyang pasok dapat sa starting lineup niya. Well, thank you to our friends from PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. So Michelle Verano and the rest of TIP waiting for the serve from Janet Panaga, which goes long. So now Captain Verano to serve. And that one finds the line from Verano.
Service ace for TIP.
Labang na naman po dito ang Lady Engineers. Natawa na lang si Janine Navarro. Kaya tinitignan din ni Janine yung mga linya.
You can see her adjusting her position as well.
And goes to the other side this time. Zone 1 naman.
Good variation para sa kanyang services itong si Verano. But she is constantly aiming for the end line. Kasi yun nga naman yung mahirap basahin. Yun yung tipo pwedeng mag-second thoughts yung mga receiver niya if it's going in or out.
And now she goes short. 3 consecutive aces for the captain. Nahihilo na St. Benilde. Saan pa niya papupuntahin to?
Iniisa siya lahat ng pwesto eh.
Kaya butas naman ang gitna ngayon. Doon niya pinapunta. Hindi rin nakuha ni Enclona. 4 straight aces now for Michelle Verano.
CSB, of course, kailangan pigilan itong run na ginagawa ng TIP in terms of the service aces.
No reception now para sa CSB. Finally, Navarro gets to that one. They go to Ramos and Ramos goes long. 5-1 TIP or 6-1 TIP. 6 straight points for the Lady Engineers. Michelle Verano, very focused. Enclona, Cheng, Torres, dagap by Acuña. Perez sending it to Maturan, off-speed drop.
Cheng down on her knees,
Yun na
pero talagang naiset pa rin ng maayos.
Maturan, Ramos, habol ito si Navarro. At sabi ni Cheng, siya na mamimigay. Verano, ay.
Violation called against Verano.
That's a double touch. Again, Michelle Verano wanted to do so many things with all of her targets. So natigil na ang run ng TIP. And now it's Melanie Torres' turn. She has been serving well. Good one right there. Perez, nice defense there by Navarro. So 6-3 TIP. Torres serving. Acuña, Perez, Maturan, Enclona, Cheng, Navarro, nice dig by Maturan. Acuña galing sa likod, Enclona keeping it alive. Cheng, Janine Navarro, gusto sana mag-cross court pero nakaharang naman yung net.
Bala talaga yung net no? Kasi, sino pa naglagay niyan dyan?
Ikaw kasi, Ivy, no? Pag napapanood din kita, pag pinapalo mo yung net, pag mapalo ka, tumatama sa net, sama ng tingin mo sa net. Kasalanan ba ng net yun? Here's Navarro, off the net this time. Second ball ang atake ni De La Cruz. And a free ball from Navarro. Maturan, Verano, De La Cruz. Verano on the first ball. De La Cruz sending it to Maturan.
In between the two blockers.
Nako, uulitin ba ulit ng TIP yung ginawa nila sa Las Aldas Marinas? They are up by 5 here in the first technical timeout of set number 3. Ano kaya masasabi ni Michael Carino dito? Let's listen on the huddle of St. Benilde.
Hindi nga, sabi San Lumobo. Sa pasa. First ball na naman. Ganyan na naman tayo matatalo. Ganyan na naman. Walang kalaban-laban. Pasahan lang natin. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Pag pinasa natin sa harap, di ba? Pasahan natin sa harap. Tapos makakapatayan. Tapos, alam nyo, huwag kayo makontento sa ginagawa nyo. Dalawang set pa lang. May nanalo bang dalawang set? Tatlong set. Kasi natin na maayos. Teka. Unti-unti natin yan. Nabuli natin kailangan yan. Ngayon pa lang. Now na.
Halata si Michael Carino has been under Samia Kailar's wing for such a long time. As we remind everybody for V-League updates on GMA International, log on to the following Facebook accounts. What's up, Mia Kalim?
Maraming salamat naman. Alam mo ba, nakausap ko kanina si Coach Michael Carino at tinanong ko, what does he think about TIP? Sabi niya, the first time that they went up against each other was November last year and makikita nga daw talaga yung improvement nitong TIP. Kaya naman sinabihan niya yung kanyang team na sa lahat ng mga team dito, itong TIP is very dangerous because bago sila and they have this special hunger to learn every single game and they're gonna use it against you. So sabi ni Coach, yan daw yung kailangan nila i-worry here in the fourth set. Kaya naman daw they have to give something new and patuloy pa rin daw yung show no mercy sa pagdating sa laro nila. Balik sa inyo.
Well, again, yung punto lang dito, St. Benilde has been on television so many times.
Yeah, and
So
TIP has not.
And TIP has watched them so many times. Itong St. Benilde has watched TIP once on TV, although nakalaban na nila dati.
Oh yeah, but you know, it's different pa rin yun eh. Just the fact like, you know, CSB has been probably has joined more tournaments than TIP
Correct.
has. So that's another thing din eh. Mas madaling scout kung baga.
Left-handed shot there from Janine Navarro. We take our friends from Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. As si May Acuña, dinaan sa pagka-veterano. Yan na naman yung tuwalya ni Hesi May Acuña sa likuran para may buntot siya. And again, you know, Hesi May Acuña, pag nakatalikod, di mo makikita yung numero, akala mo si Venus Bernal. Di ba?
Oh yeah, the build and ano, parang the same eh.
Right. Janine Navarro, the lone bright spot now for St. Benilde.
Actually, Panaga has been pretty quiet also
Yun
for
na nga eh.
CSB.
Papanaga now in front, which means itong si Rachel Anostero will go back to serve. Ostero, one of the youngsters para dito sa St. Benilde. with a good serve. Sarmiento, Verano, Acuña, down the line. Si May Acuña, umiinit na ang kanyang opensa. Take a look at it again. Malinis na down the line spike. 11-5 TIP. Michelle De La Cruz. Cheng, Panaga. Maturan is there. Verano yuhulog. Nandun si Enclona. Cheng. Navarro again. Janine Navarro on pace for 20. Ultra fast spike pa yan. Atid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera. The ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
And you can really see, no, pag si Janine Navarro pumapalo, she's really getting the ball from the top. At kita-kita mo talaga yung flick ng wrist eh.
Right. One of the St. Benil girls has also seen commercial league action. Navarro, Panaga, Cheng. Uh-oh. A problem for St. Benil. So ngayon, ito si Rochelle Fidel will serve. Nadoble na ng TIP itong CSB dito sa third set, ha? Fidel, Enclona, Cheng, Torres, dug up by Fidel. Acuña, again! May Acuña is on fire!
It wasn't really the cleanest of hits, but she got a little help from the net. Pero nakuha pa rin ng TIP ang puntos.
Another ultra-fast spike. Atid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. May halong swerte na yun.
Oh.
Fidel again. Enclona. Navarro galing sa likod. Maturan, Verano, Jeca Perez. Kim Ramos now sending it to Melanie Torres. Acuña is there. Verano sending it back to May Acuña. The former RTU player gives TIP their biggest lead of the match. Timeout, Michael Carino.
Walang depensa, walang pasa, lahat unti-unti nawawala. So ang pinaganda niyan, tinan mo, gitna pa lang. So may chance pang umabol. Baka pilitin natin gapangin ng gapangin. Ito yung pagmumukha niyo. Para ayaw niya lumaban eh. Dapat, the moral challenge kayo pag ganyan na score. Kaya pa yan, kaya pa yan.
Hey, do everything! Animal!
Tama naman yung punto. Nasa gitna pa lang tayo. Wala pa naman nanalo ng third set na 14 yung score. But May Acuña, that's 3 straight points para sa kanya. As Chelsea Santillan will return for Kim Ramos. Grabe, no? And Acuña, who did not see action towards the end of that match against the Saldas Marinas, siya na ngayon nagdadala. Kasi ginamit nila dun sa dulo, si De La Cruz at si Maderazo. Now it's Maderazo taking a seat. Panaga finally getting one down the line. (14-7) TIP. Captain Cheng. Sarmiento. Verano. Acuña sa kabila na tumira. Cheng. Nice attack there coming from Melanie Torres. So, 14-8. Back-to-back points ngayon para sa St. Benil. Cheng. Overcooked reception. Easy put away for Janet Panaga.
And yung mga dapat na iiwasan mo if you have, tall players at the opposite side of the court, yung mga gusto nila yung mga regalo eh.
Right. Babasa 5. Verano, inangat. Jeca Perez still quiet in this game. Cheng. Torres. Again, lusot. And Jeca Perez struggling now. And that is 4 straight points for St. Benil. Time out naman para kay Boy Parel and TIP.
Para maka-reach over ka. Ganito ang distansya. Tapos i-reach over mo ganito. Kaya lumusot yung ganito eh. Ha? Kasi yung depensa sa likuran. Ha? Wala pa kanina, wala tayong opensa eh. Ha? Yung opensa, kailangan natin yun eh. Ha? Okay, sabat ka lang. Hindi bawal. Huwag nila.
Guys, wag na bawal tayo. Go, DIP! Engineers!
naalala ko rin sa kupunan ng TIP is actually the Lyceum squad nung umalis na yung kanilang Holy Trinity. Ganito itsura.
Yeah.
Diba, nung wala na si Beverly Boto, wala na si Sherilyn Carillo, wala na si Dalia Cruz. This is what they look like, the scrappy team that Emil Lontok put together. Now, salamat sa PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. It speeds them up to 10 Mbps monthly. Internet for as low as 999 pesos. Saved there by St. Benilde. Perez wala sa pwesto. Enclona nasa pwesto. Panaga kinapos. 15-10 TIP. And the former Lady Blue Thunder, Desiree Acuña, to serve. Cheng. Torres. Uy! Laking butas. That's what you like about yung mga tira ni Melanie Torres. Para may homing device yung bola eh.
Parang nadedetect na kung saan yung butas na doon pupunta eh.
Seek hole. Nahanap.
Seek vacant spot.
Ayan na.
Ganyan.
Seek Rania Musa. We need you back. So Rania Musa back in the game to replace Ostero. Apat na lang pong abante rito ng TIP from a high of 8. Panaga, Acuña, Verano, hulog na naman. Habol si Santillan, hindi na may tatawid. So finally, nakaisa si Michelle Verano and giving TIP a 5-point lead into our second technical timeout. Magbabalik po kami. Back at us here, ladies and gentlemen, at the San Juan Arena. And Shakey's V-League updates available on GMA International, the following Twitter and Instagram accounts. At nahanap na rin po natin ang ating ultra-fun family of the game. Yan po ang kanilang pangalan. Parang alam nila, madadali nila to. The Gonzalez family with Mary Jane Arnold, Janold, Aldwayne, and John Wayne. Grabe.
Kompleto
yan ang ayoko makasagupa sa isang gunfight. Nandiyan si John Wayne. 16-11 TIP. Verano lifts it up. Here is Maturan. Enclona has been working very hard today. Torres, yes!
Torres again slicing in between the two blockers.
Melanie Torres tumutulong na dito kay Janet Panaga. Take turn sila sa harapan. And now the Torres is at the back. Tignan natin kung makadali na naman siya ng 8. She's got about 3 of them in this game. Torres. Sarmiento, nahirapan doon. Acuña has to get this across. Cheng, quick set. Rania Musa. Baba sa 3 ang abante ng TIP. Nahabol si Alaysa Layog. Jeka Perez takes a seat. So from tall to taller, ang lineup ngayon ng TIP. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Melanie Torres.
Another good serve.
They go to Maturan. Dug up there by Enclona. Too near the net. Layug sending that one back. Here is Cheng. And Santillan cannot get it across. Apat ang abante ngayon ng TIP. You can see she's a very emotional player. No?
Affected siya doon sa kanyang error.
Oh. 17-13. Alaysa Layug, very consistent on her serve today. Enclona. Cheng. Musa, hinulog. Binuhay naman niya ni Verano. And Fidel just gets it across. Too near the net. And it's a lifting violation against Rania Musa. Ay, 4 touches. Di na itawid. So legal pa pala yung tira doon ni Musa. 18-13 DIP. Layug again. Enclona. Cheng. Yun na.
Excellent hit from Navarro. Papagising ng konti.
Kailangan magising ang St. Benilde dito. They're up 2-0. And here are the tormentors of their cousin team.
Siyempre, gusto nilang bawian din ng diba? Las Altas Marinas.
Right. Aray ko, in your face. Galing kay Michelle de la Cruz.
Again, don't let the small frame fool you.
Right. Again, she reminds me of Jane Diaz of Perpetual pag naglaro. Same amount of tapang, same amount of, di ba, yung
Pero siya
gusto.
tahimik lang siya eh, di ba? Parang hindi mo nga masyadong mapapansin sa loob ng court and all of a
Right.
sudden, out of nowhere.
Well, gano'n na rin si Janine Navarro. Pero Janine Navarro is more vocal of the two. So, 4 ang abante ng TIP. 18-year-old Rania Musa. And one day, mark my words, national team yan.
Manager ka.
Hindi
Ikaw ba
naman.
talent manager?
Eh, sinasabi ko lang, uy, Panaga with a net violation. Sobrang skilled ng batang yan. I mean, probably she hasn't even figured out how good she is yet.
So usually naman ganun, di ba? Kasi bata pa, you know, they're
Right.
still young, so...
Like si Rachel Andakis din. Nagsimula rin si Rachel Andakis, nobody thought that she would be that good. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dakis, of course, was a walk-on sa UP. Hindi pumasa sa tryouts, lumipat na FEU, and the rest is history as Janet Panaga gets a block point. 2016. Now Janine Navarro, leading scorer so far para sa St. Benilde. Garano on the back set ngayon to Fidel, firing from the wings this time. Santillan, sending it over to Melanie Torres. Garano, Acuña, nakabuelo. Cheng, uhulog, nandun naman si De La Cruz. Down the middle for Fidel, turned back by Panaga. Ayan na si Panaga, nagpaparamdam na. 2017, 3 na lang ang inaalagang abante ng TIP. Navarro, great serve. Acuña, nice drop. Esime Acuña is experiencing some kind of a rebirth sa laban na ito.
She has been playing very consistent and maganda rin yung nagiging variation niya sa kanyang mga palo.
4-point lead for TIP. 4 na puntos ang kailangan to send us to a 4th set. Fidel. Enclona has to give it up. De La Cruz. Acuña again. Turn back this time by Panaga. Acuña once again over Panaga.
A net violation error.
Panaga na naman. That's the second one on Janet Panaga. 5 ang abante ng TIP. Time out, Michael Carino.
Kung yung ginagawa ng kami, tayo gumagawa ng kasi kahit pinahirapan naman lang sa akin. Diba? Asa muna. Ikaw kasi nagre-relax. Dapat ikaw yung gustong manalo. Diba? Dapat inaako mo lahat. Okay lang yan, bago. Sa magandang pasay, sa magandang play, kailangan mapatay ka agad. So, yung di natin habulin. Okay lang yan, sige, habol lang.
Enrica Enclona, the target of the tirade that time. Alam mo, si Enclona has really been doing her best dito. Pero for some reason, kulang lang ng 1 inch, sobra ng 1 inch.
Ano naman siya sa pwesto di ba? Hindi lang niya naiaangat.
Yun lang nga. So 3 points na lang po ang kailangan ng TIP to send us to a 4th set. Rochelle Fidel. Yan na, Enclona with a good reception that time. Panaga, dug up well by Fidel. And Fidel will be short on the free ball. 22-18. Janelle Cheng, si Quick. Pag nakuha nila. Acuña. Ayan na, Cheng. Quick nga, papunta rito kay Panaga. That scores! Welcome to the game, Janet Panaga. Umiinit na rin sa opensa.
Yes, of course, kailangan niyang bumawi doon sa kanyang mga net violation errors.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, short
Cheng,
serve.
nice short serve. Layug! Wow! Open hit from the former UP Quicker. 23-19. 2 puntos na kailangan ng TIP. And the TIP fans are noisy. Acuna, good serve. Torres. Verano ngayon, sending it to Matura, lusot!
And TIP mukhang gustong ulitin yung nangyari doon sa kanilang laban against the Saldas Marinas.
They must convert this point, 5 set points for the Technological Institute of the Philippines against an NCAA Final Four squad. Sharp serve by Acuna. Jezime Acuna has been the heroine in set number 3 para sa TIP. And we are going to a 4th set. Matalim na serve. Talagang lahat. Buwis buhay na yung serve na yon. And that will be that. TIP extends us to a 4th set. And we will have that for you sa aming pong pagbabalik.